It was a bright Sunday morning. Tom was playing in the park when he heard a strange sound.
Huh? Who's making that sound? It must be a little animal who lives in the park.
Tom looked around and found a parrot.
Hello, little one. I am so happy to see you. But you are not looking very happy. You look like you are crying. Oh, your claw is hurt, isn't it?
Tom noticed that the parrot's claw was injured. He immediately picked up the parrot and took it with him.
Don't worry, little one. I'll take you to someone who will help you feel better.
Just as Tom was leaving the park, James called out to him.
Tom, wait!
But Tom didn't hear James. Tom hurried and took the parrot to veterinarian.
Doctor, I found this parrot in the park. I think its claw is injured. Good work, Tom. This parrot is in a lot of pain.
Just as Tom and Doctor were talking, James came in.
Tom, that is my pet parrot. Give it back to me. I am sorry, James. I brought this parrot here because it was crying. Look, its claw is injured. I know that the parrot hurt its claw because it was trying to run away when I was putting it in a cage. James, you shouldn't have done that. It isn't nice to hurt little animals or put them in cages. We can talk about that later, children. First, let's help this parrot.
The doctor carefully put some medicine on the parrot's claw. She then wrapped it with a clean bandage. In no time, the parrot looked like it was feeling much better. The doctor then spoke to James.
Tom is right, James. It isn't nice to hurt animals. This parrot was in a lot of pain because of you. And the parrot's home is in a tree, not in a cage. Tom, I think you should take this parrot back to where it belongs. Huh?
Tom lovingly carried the parrot back to the park. He left the parrot near a tree where some other parrots were playing.
You can go home now, little one. Take care. James, look. Doesn't the parrot look happy to be there here with his friends? You're right, Tom. I shouldn't have hurt the parrot. I promise I will never again hurt any little animal.
Thanks to Tom, the parrot was back in the park living happily with its friends, and James kept his promise. He never again hurt any little animal.
Always remember, animals do need love.